Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a pop-up form on HubSpot. Pop-up forms are an excellent way to capture leads, promote offers, and engage visitors at just the right moment on your website. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, head over to HubSpot.com and sign into your account. If you're new to HubSpot, you can create an account or start a free trial to get access to their marketing tools. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard, which serves as your central hub for managing all your marketing activities. Now look to the left side menu navigation and hover over or click on Marketing to expand the submenu. From there, click on CTAs to open the call to action area where you'll manage your pop-up forms. This is where HubSpot houses all the tools you need to create engaging pop-ups that convert visitors into leads. Once you're in the CTAs section, click the Create button in the upper right corner. This will launch the creation process and present you with a variety of templates to choose from. You can either select a pre-designed template that matches your design goals, or choose Start from Scratch if you prefer complete creative control over your pop-up's appearance. Next, you'll want to name your pop-up form. Enter a descriptive name in the form name field that helps you identify its purpose later. It's also helpful to add a brief description or note so you can quickly remember what this pop-up is designed to achieve, especially if you're managing multiple forms. Now comes the fun part, designing your pop-up. Edit the headline text, body copy, and any images or branding elements to align with your message. Adjust the colors, typography, and button styles to match your website's look and feel. Consistency in design builds trust and makes your pop-up feel like a natural part of your site. After the design is set, configure the behavior of your pop-up. Decide when it should appear, whether that's on page load, after a delay, on exit intent, or after a visitor scrolls down the page. You can also specify which pages should display the pop-up and set any exclusion rules to avoid showing it on certain pages. Next, define the form fields you need to collect information from your visitors. Add or edit fields for name, email, or any other data that's valuable to your business. Keep it simple and make sure required fields are clearly marked to avoid confusion. Once your form fields are in place, set your follow-up actions. Choose what happens after someone submits the form, whether that's displaying a thank you message, redirecting to a specific page, or automatically sending a follow-up email. Before going live, use the preview option to see how your pop-up looks on both desktop and mobile devices. Test the submission process to ensure data is being captured correctly and that all follow-up actions are working as intended. Finally, when everything looks perfect, click the Publish button to make your pop-up live on your site. If you prefer, you can also schedule publishing for a future time to align with a campaign launch or special event. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.